Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Good morning, guys. Actually, it's not morning, it's noon now. Starting the vlog in bed. I'm working on editing yesterday's vlog. Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna try to get onto a different schedule now that he's on vacation so that we have more stuff to do in the daytime. So I'm gonna try to edit more at night. But when he was working, I was like, well, I know I'm not really gonna be going out or doing anything anyways. Well, I probably won't be doing that anyways because it's COVID.
What were your plans?
But, well, like we do typically leave during the day when you're not, you know. Well, we can also do baking and stuff in the daytime.
That's true.
Now that you're not working.
That's kind of like when it starts to feel like a vacation. All the things that you usually can only do in the evenings, you do during the day. And
yeah.
Like, oh, this is new.
It wasn't such a problem for me up until now to be editing during the day, but I'm going to try to make it so that the vlogs end earlier in the evening and I'm editing in the evening so that I have like the vlog ready for the next morning.
Which sounds like a good plan.
Yeah, so that we can do more throughout the day together, which will be lots of fun. We haven't actually finished the tree and I was going to start cleaning after the tree was fully decorated, but it's like I don't even want to go down there now because it's always such a mess that I have mess anxiety. I guess I should blame my mom for probably giving me that, although mine's nowhere near as bad as hers. Can you imagine if my mom was here right now?
I know.
Can you imagine? She would have, no, this would never look like this because she would have cleaned it the second that there was anything out of place.
Would. Yeah.
My mom always comes to town and starts cleaning my house, even though when she's here, I make sure that this house is like spotless. I literally scrub the walls because I'm scared she's gonna be like, why do you have scuff marks everywhere?
Yeah, she cleans things I just cleaned.
Yeah,
I clean
literally.
Something, it's clean.
It's
She's
not
like,
clean
no,
enough.
it's not clean.
It's not Janet standard. She's like, if it's not suitable for a hospital, it's not suitable for me.
Yeah.
What else are we gonna do today? I have a bunch of stuff from Target I want to show you guys, so I might do a Target haul because I know that I do have a lot of, most of my audience is actually from the US, so the rest of the Canadians can laugh at my stupidity because I was so dumb, and I told you guys in yesterday's vlog, but I should have not placed this order for Target. I was just like feeling so desperate knowing that I couldn't go to the States to get all the things I normally get over the holidays.
But
So
it's weird because it also felt good when we picked it up and opened it up.
and saw all
it's
the
like,
Target
it's like,
packaging,
oh, Target stuff.
wrapping paper.
Yeah.
Although the wrapping paper could come from anywhere, I'd be excited. I just love wrapping paper. All right, I'm gonna continue editing. I'm going to try to rush and get this vlog edited as quickly as possible because this is our last nice day. It is incredible. I'm gonna show you guys because the next few days are gonna be complete crap. Okay. It never shows up nice on camera. This is so beautiful. And this is a wide angle lens, so it actually looks much further away than it is. But there is so much snow on the mountains back there. It's making me so happy because I know we're not gonna get snow here. But just being able to see the snow on those mountains makes me feel like, oh, it's Christmas, it's the holidays. Just averted a little crisis. Sebastian walked through the frame with his boxers on. I'm really sad because the next 2 weeks are gonna be raining. And if it wasn't so nice out right now, I wouldn't know what I'm gonna be missing or I wouldn't be thinking about it. But this day is so beautiful. I wish I could just go outside and like spend some time outside. Maybe I'll go for a walk after if I can get this vlog edited in time. Hey guys, so a little update. I am uploading my video. It is 3:50, which is pretty early for me because I, for the past couple days, have been uploading like 6 o'clock, which is obviously not intentional, but usually that's when I've got my video done, which is weird because this video actually had a ton of footage I had to cut down because it was a lot of me filming while Sebastian and I were in the kitchen, and most of the time we were like doing stuff and like puttering around and not actually talking to the camera, so it was difficult to go through, but I managed to get it done pretty quickly, so I'm happy about that. You guys, I think I need to stop using the self tanner. First of all, I keep getting these little rashes. I can't feel anything, but I can see them on the camera, and also I look like I have some type of weird skin disease when I use it. I don't know why these drops look so good on everyone else, and then on me, they look absolutely awful. I might take a shower and like scrub my face really hard to try to get as much of this off as I can, because this just doesn't look good. I've been using 2 drops too, so I don't know why it still looks so orange. It might also just be like the camera is really picking it up more. I'm going through and trying to decide what I'm going to title this vlog. I have a couple ideas. What I like to do is I will usually go through IMDb Christmas movie lists, and then if I can't find anything in there, I can usually check some type of list with Hallmark movie Christmas titles, and there are literally like hundreds of Christmas movies from Hallmark, so it's a little bit easier to find something out of there. But it honestly helps me figure out a title so much faster than I used to be able to, because I would be like, what am I gonna name this video? What even happened in this vlog? And now I just go choose a title that's kind of representative of what's in the vlog, and it's easy and done. I need to figure out a similar process for my thumbnails. I need to figure out something that's going to be equally as fast to do my thumbnails. If you guys didn't watch yesterday's vlog, we made the cutest Christmas tree pull-apart bread. It was so yummy. I definitely want to make that again, but it was so filling. It was probably a good amount for 5 or 6 people to snack on, and it was obviously just Sebastian and I, so it was a lot of food. And then we made these like sugar cookie martinis that were really good too. A little strong, so I would definitely modify them next time. I'm really enjoying trying out different recipes from places like Delish, just like trendy stuff online that I usually never get around to trying. But Vlogmas always gives me the motivation to try these things because I feel like they're just fun to share too. I'll show you guys what we made. This is what we made. This actually looks a little bit out of focus. It was super yummy. And then the drink, oh my gosh, the drink. Here we go. How yummy does this look? So I think I might use like a still from the pizza bread and then the drink for my thumbnail, because I think they look really yummy. I think this is a cool shot. It really sucks how early the sun goes down, because it's like 3:55 and the sun is almost gone, and I feel like I've done nothing with the day. I'm still in bed. Tonight, I think I'm going to make this vlog a little bit shorter so that I can really focus on getting this vlog done before tomorrow morning, so that I can actually enjoy the day now that Sebastian's off work and we can start to do more fun things during the day. He's downstairs taking care of the house right now, which I'm so grateful for. I'm literally so grateful. That is, I guess, all that's going on right now. I'm gonna hopefully get this vlog up in a couple minutes, get like a really fast thumbnail going. Hey guys, so it is a little later now. I posted my vlog, and honestly I've just kind of been relaxing for the last couple hours. I took a shower, washed my hair, scrubbed off my self-tan. I feel wonderful. Sebastian went to the grocery store to grab a couple ingredients that we need for dinner. My friend sent me this recipe for balsamic cream chicken that sounds, oh shoot, did you get the mushrooms?
Yeah.
Okay, because I completely forgot. I don't know if I add them to the list.
Yeah.
She sent this recipe over, and I've done something similar to this before, but I've never had it with cream. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this tastes. It looked so good. She does keto, and it's like keto friendly, so if you do keto too, you can totally have this. I'm gonna have it with potatoes because I really wanna try boiling potatoes in my Instant Pot. Supposedly they boil potatoes really quickly, so I'm really excited to see how fast it works, because I honestly don't make potatoes very often just because they take so long to cook. So it'll be interesting. The house is so much more clean. I'm so happy. Sebastian did such a great job.
Thank you.
I can see the floor a bit. I mean, there is still some stuff around that I have to take care of, like my clothes are over here. I have a bag over there with a bunch of clothes in it from when we went and took photos at the Christmas tree farm, because I wasn't sure which outfit I wanted to wear for the photos. So I have to deal with that. But I also have been leaving them there because my storage closet over there is where I'm hiding all of Sebastian's gifts for this year, so that I don't have to use my closet or like a spare bedroom. And he is so absent-minded. I have a sign on the door that says, "Do not enter." But it's not just habits, because I would know if I had a sign right in front of me not to go in, but Sebastian is not like that. He'll go in. I have all this stuff in front of there, so it kind of triggers the thought process that, oh wait, I can't go into this room. Also, I don't know why you taped it at waist level, because when you want it like at eye level as you're walking towards the door instead of something you're not going to look at.
No, I thought then I would ignore it, because sometimes I'll just grab something, go there, and then I grab the handle, so that's why it's right next to the handle.
Oh. Yeah, but I don't think you look at the handle when you open it. Sebastian's going to make me a coffee. I'm feeling really tired, and I obviously want to be productive now. But yeah, I definitely need a little boost of energy. I'm so happy about all the Christmas lights. Oh, they make me so happy. The Christmas tree, we still have to take care of that tonight. So we're gonna do that. Coffee time. We need to go buy more coffee tomorrow. Coffee is looking beautiful, nice and foamy. We're gonna start making dinner now. I will link the recipe that I'm following in the description bar below for you guys. It's pretty straightforward though, I feel like. We're gonna actually make it with chicken thighs. I guess.
This is not chicken thigh though. This is chicken.
Thigh?
What do you call it?
Chicken thigh.
Really? So it looked like chicken breast.
You're a chicken breast. You just love when I say the most stupid things to you.
Yeah, because it's so stupid.
It's so stupid, then why do you laugh?
Tell us how stupid it is.
I only say those things because I know you're gonna laugh.
Nothing's happening.
Ooh, there's the steam. Okay, let's check if they're fork tender. Otherwise we might need to cook them longer. These are not cooked. Let's do it again. All right, let's do this. See if they're ready. That one's good. Maybe it's just, they are kind of fork tender, but maybe the fact that they're not evenly sized. Okay, why don't we do these three and we just won't mash this one. So there's dinner. The changes I made were that I browned the mushrooms. The recipe actually called for the mushrooms and cream to be added at the same time, but I just like my mushrooms to have a little bit of color on them. I didn't deglaze with chicken stock, I deglazed with white wine. I think those are the only modifications I made. For my mashed potatoes, I just added butter, some garlic powder, some parsley, a little bit of whipping cream, and then some salt and pepper, and I think that's it. Hey guys, a little update. It's actually a few hours later. Sebastian took a nap. I've been editing the vlog. I'm hoping I can turn this around so that I can start filming content in the day and edit in the evening. I feel like that'd be the ideal. I say this every year. We'll see if it happens. Maybe it won't, but I'm really motivated because he's on vacation now, as I've told you guys a million times. I honestly couldn't be more excited. This year's been so weird. He hasn't taken a single day off all year long. I mean, he's had the standard like stat holidays and stuff like that, but
I think there was always this thing of like, if I take time off, what am I gonna do with it? Right.
yeah, we had a couple trips planned in the summertime to go camping, and because we were just nervous about everything.
About COVID.
Yeah, we were nervous. I feel like I talk about this so much though, but we were so nervous about going that the 2 trips that we had actually booked, we ended up canceling because we're like, well, how do we use restrooms and facilities? We'll be in bathrooms and enclosed spaces with people.
And the number of cases went also up significantly in those areas actually that we wanted to go camping.
Yeah. So our update from dinner, oh my gosh, it was incredible. It was so good. I've made something similar before but without the cream, and the cream really just like makes it...
It made it so creamy. I mean, what?
the cream made it so creamy.
Okay, which also is a good segue into the next thing I wanted to say.
You should be like a food critic. The cream made it so creamy.
Do you think the sugar has anything to do with how sweet it was? It's like in Daddy's Home where he said, do you think the snow has anything to do with the avalanche?
Yeah, I think the snow has something to do with the avalanche. Move along.
Yeah. So the cream made it creamy. That's probably very unexpected, but like I said, it's a good segue into what I want to say. I don't usually know what I'm saying when I talk about food.
I don't usually. Go ahead, continue with your cream talk. We're listening.
Okay. But I actually noticed how creamy it is.
Well, what I was going to say was I thought that the cream with the balsamic vinegar was really nice. I think that was a really nice combo. One thing I will mention though is that before we actually made the dish, I made Sebastian sample a couple different balsamics. I wanted him to point out which one was the sweetest from his perspective. I wanted to know which one was sweetest because balsamic vinegar is something that varies widely from bottle to bottle, I find. If you have one that's a little bit more acidic, the sauce might taste completely different. The one I used was a little bit more on the sweet side, which I prefer. So our little updates are Sebastian's going to work on the back of the tree. I'm relinquishing control and allowing him to decorate the back of the tree. Maybe he'll gain some valuable experience and help me next year with the front of the tree. You think so?
Yeah, you're allowing me to do the ugly back of the tree.
You have to show me that you can place ornaments with proper distance between them.
I try really hard to make it look nice and you think I'm really trying hard to make it look ugly.
No, you try hard to make it look ugly so then you don't have to help me with the front of the tree. I already know your tricks.
No,
so
I don't even know which ornaments are ugly or good-looking ornaments.
Anyway, good-looking ornaments.
I don't know, this one is ugly. This one is a beautiful ornament. I'm like...
This one's a 10, this is a 4. Anyways, I'm trying to get to my point. So he's going to do that. I'm going to continue editing the vlog. He's going to try to impress us with his tree decorating abilities. We are going to film a little montage of Sebastian decorating, and you can all judge his decorating ability. So he's going to try extra
Didn't we do
hard.
an intro about that? I don't know.
Hopefully we can make some more progress on the tree because I want to get it done. I don't want to have a tree that's decorated only fully by Christmas Eve. Only dark house on Christmas Eve.
I don't think you can say that with like 2 massive Christmas trees and all of these like garland thingies and like this whole like thing in the front.
It's from a movie. It's from a Hallmark movie. I would just like to show Sebastian's abilities and talents here. Exact ornament. Like, I feel like you have to try to be this bad.
I was distracted because you were talking to me the whole time. Like I have this like good sense for like order where like similar things
belong together.
Yeah, they belong together. Might have also something to do with the fact that I'm massively underpaid.
Every intro we've done, every single year has been representative of real life in some way. So there's, for instance, last year where Sebastian's just absolutely destroying the gifts and ripping them open and buying me things that he wants, which he still does. Like, for instance, the ones he bought me for Nicholas Tog. And then there's the intro where we decorate the tree and my side's perfect and his side is chaos. Well, I think this shows it was inspired by something. 2 ornaments right next.
No, I have to go by which branch can possibly hold a 1 pound ornament.
The fact that you put a chandelier at the top of the tree.
Well, that's really smart because chandeliers, where are they usually? Hanging from the ceiling.
Hey guys, so we're coming on to end the vlog. I'm just finishing up editing the vlog. I'm actually really happy. I edited like 95% of it last night, so it's only noon right now, which means we're gonna have some daytime activities in a little bit, hopefully. Look forward to the upcoming vlogs because now that Sebastian's off work, we should hopefully have some fun things to do together during the day, and he'll be less stressed out. He won't be ruining Vlogmas anymore. Just kidding. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see whenever I post a new video. And we will see you all in Vlogmas Day. What day is it? Oh my god, it's the 13th. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.